I saw that. There's a lot of rules.
Some rules for Ryan.
I know. I come here to shoot lah, but there's a lot like Ryan phone rules. 2:25 must wash out. Okay, 我现在去冲凉。
Welcome to another episode of Get It!
So today's episode is a little bit special.
Wait, we say that every single time, but I
Right.
swear this one is really very special.
Okay, this one is special because this is not a client job, not a sponsor job. Okay, this is actually like some form of
Community project?
Yeah, community project one. So what happened was this entire house unfortunately caught on fire, and the whole house was literally burned down.
Yes, and then there was a whole like campaign running on social media, and it
Correct.
caught our eye lah. So we thought, okay, since we have clients that we worked with before and the vendors that we trust, so why not we just step in and help?
The vendors very generously agreed to help. They understand all this is charity, but we still want to show you how amazing this transformation is.
So a little bit more about the house. It's a 5-room HDB resale and it's about 1,400 square feet. It's designed by UUU Studios by Fatin together with Craft by Tree. So this project took about 4 months
because a lot of permit,
there's a lot of waiting time in between also, and total it cost about 150k because they had to redo a lot of things. The window was burned down and all that. Starting with the entrance, we have the gate by our very trusted vendor.
And digital lock.
Yes, and then it also comes with this wooden door and digital lock for both the gate and the main door.
After you come in, you will see this settee area where you can wear your shoe and all the shoe can be there.
Basically, they paid for this area. So it's additional like foyer. Then they also got a mirror to check themselves out before they leave. And then the fluted panel is by Chroma Living and a corner fan just to cool down the area by Decor fan.
Okay, so moving on to the living room.
Okay, it's really interesting because like they appreciate the longevity of redwood and oriental like design lah.
Interesting fact that these furnitures are here before the fire.
Yes, since the start they were the OGs.
And they survived the fire.
This was the nearest to the fire already. That's why there were bubbles.
But the rest of the furniture that you see here was also caught in the fire, but it looks really new lah.
Yeah, actually uncle went to polish it and all after that lah.
Yes.
They also engaged bluffing to do all these cushions as well to match the interior.
I thought it was
goes very well together.
Yeah, it goes very well together, surprisingly. So of course at the living room area we got our Prism TV.
So this is a 65 QLED TV from Prism.
So the QLED one is the one of the higher range one.
Fun fact, right? The wall was actually till like half the TV only. But then like the ID extended the wall just so that the TV got a better backing and to create this recessed shelf together with this like redwood shelving to match with all the furniture.
And then moving on to the curtains, we have these curtains from Drapes Studio.
They are the only like curtain placed with shaping machine. So this kind of like folds right will last longer.
Yeah, it looks like it shimmers in the sunlight.
And it gives a nice like diffusion for the sunlight also.
Yes. Wow, 你会讲 diffusion.
为什么不会嘞? Moving on to the kitchen. At first it was an enclosed kitchen, but then they made it to an open concept. I think like for more space to dine here.
I don't know why I keep thinking of like Hong Kong cafes.
Oh, okay, with the tiles also and the gold fixtures, right?
Yeah, it looks very nice. It looks very pretty.
So first they have their sharp fridge here and a lot of storage also because kitchen need a lot of storage one.
But you think this is a storage? No, this is actually a toilet.
It's very nicely like designed. I think the ID matched all the tiles really well with the pink color tiles behind also.
You can feel like it's two different themes, but actually it still flows together. I really like this basin, right? Because it's brass and then it's very thin.
And all the bathroom fittings here are from Bath & Co. So they gladly came in to help lah.
And it's all like color matching one. See? All the details are all...
Wow, even the trimming here is like brass eh.
Yeah, very detailed.
Okay, back to the kitchen.
So over here at the counter where they prepare their food, right? I saw that there's a lot of rules.
Some rules for Ryan.
Like Ryan phone rules. We got 7 rules and I got a whole routine.
This is because the grandson is called Ryan. It gives character to the whole house.
Yeah, it's one of the nicest schedule that I look like.
So the top here is shelving and then there's also fluted panel by Chroma Living as well.
And then they also have this display cabinet where they use reed glass. Yeah, they use reed glass so that you don't see like the mess inside. Yeah. Of course, everything is like soft closing also.
Oh yeah, okay. If you realize there's always this whole centerpiece to make it look like there's a carpet. But then you don't have to invest in the carpet because carpets are very hard to maintain.
I like how the gold trimmings extends from the toilet. Even you see all the accents, it's still the brass and gold trimmings. So they have opt for gas cooker. So when you see a gas cooker, you know that they can cook one for real one. So they also have Ruhan's water dispenser.
So there's hot water water that you can cook your Maggi and milk also, and then there's also cold water, and then it also saves power consumption by 30%, helping you to save energy.
And then they have the Shark washing machine.
There's 4 ticks and then there's 10 different settings as well.
Energy efficient. So they also have a storage area for all their dry food, where they keep their spices and all that. Then
but this is the rubbish chute. So very nicely concealed here as well.
Wow. Okay, moving on to the
Dining area.
So over here at the dining room, right, they actually made a new storeroom.
Initially, this was empty, but then the idea was like, okay, make it into a storeroom for them to store all that.
And they previously didn't have a storeroom. So the redwood furniture have extended into the dining area, and they make this display area where they display more of their ornaments and display items lah.
So they also have the fluted panel, and the art also continue to flow throughout the house. Then this is their dining furniture that lasted throughout as well.
Yeah, so you can see that particular chair really went through a lot.
Got a story to tell when you sit there.
It adds a lot of character.
Then they also have their fan from Decor fan. So this one also has lights that can go for warm to cool as well.
And then you can see this mysterious reed glass door that actually leads up to another living room.
This is their grandson's play area with a huge TV. So blessed.
Yeah, so this is a very nice play area for them. And it is safe, don't worry.
Yes, because there's the grill system here as well. And this is also by the carpenter. So actually the carpenter do a lot of things. Like even this kind of thing also they have.
And then because they live so high, right, it's actually very busy, very clean. It's quite unobstructed, so the airflow is very good.
You can see like this is the grandson's painting. Very, very cute. They put it here.
Yes.
And then this is a sofa bed. So you can just turn this to like a bedroom if you need lah.
Right. Okay, moving on to the rooms. This is the son's room.
So originally he already had the Secret Lab chair and we were thinking, why not give him the full set?
Yeah, so we got him a Prism monitor because he's a gamer, right? So this has 165Hz refresh rate. We got the Aftershock computer, and then we got him a mesh keyboard.
Yeah, he went to customize it himself. Then of course he also have his Omni desk that is 48-inch.
Yeah, so this one is of course the adjustable go up and down one and can preset lah. And I like how the entire room is matched by what I suppose is his favorite color lah, because there's blue, blue, blue. Everything is blue. This bed sheet is actually from Bed Tribe.
Together with the mattress from USA.
Is this the ice bamboo one there?
Yes, this is the ice bamboo one.
So we all use ice bamboo these days. It's very cooling, very suitable for Singapore hot and humid weather.
And then of course the redwood bed frame
that survives the fire. I think this whole video, right, is like an advertisement for redwood.
Yeah, if you don't know which furniture to get
redwood lah. Yeah, it's so durable. Then he have his closet space here.
And then also his new friend called Brian.
So he also have his wardrobe space.
A lot of wardrobe, a lot of space.
A lot of space.
A lot of wardrobe space for a guy.
Yeah, very deep lah. So that's it for the son's room. Now we are moving on to the daughter's room. As you can see, the daughter's room is back to the green color scheme.
Yes, so she have her study table here that can double up as
her dressing table.
And then she got her TV and then her monitor from Prism as well.
We also got her a Secret Lab chair.
How can the brother have but she don't have lab?
Yeah lah, cannot lah. Not fair ma.
Fair.
Then they also have these blinds from Drapes Studio. So this is good for ventilation, let the light pass through. You can control the light lah, how much
the
light
angle and everything
and you can see the shadows it casts is very
beautiful. And they also have some shelving beside the bed.
A lot of storage.
Yes, a lot of storage. I feel like for girls, the basic need in the bedroom, right, is storage. Then after that, she also have her USA bed here. So hers is actually the adjustable one, and also ice cool bamboo sheets from Bed Tribe.
Okay, moving on to the wardrobe area. What I always identify this pattern, right, is to Ruma lah.
Rattan lah.
Yeah, I know, but Ruma does a lot of this type.
Anyhow plug for sponsor when they're not even inside the video, you know.
And I really like the handles, right, because it's too big.
They make it very simple lah. Because here already like got design ma. Actually the ID also source all the knobs herself, like from online and everywhere lah. Even all these also under carpenter one. Very, very resourceful.
I'm really very impressed with the ID, right, because she was able to maximize this entire space for storage and still can keep it so neat.
Yeah, and also included like designs lah.
Okay, now moving on to the last room, which is the master bedroom. Entering the master bedroom, we are first greeted by this floor from XINGFLOORS.
So these are vinyl, very easy to maintain and just vacuum and you will get all the dirt off.
Yeah.
And also the installation is really fast, just all within a day.
They are also not made from any toxic material and is certified by Singapore Green Label. So for the room, right, they kept it really simple. They only have this very big king size Wusa bed. It's the adjustable one.
And then there are bed sheets from Drapes as well. They chose a very nice yellow color. I've never seen this before.
I never seen it. I didn't even know they had this.
Yeah.
My house is boring. Like,
I want a yellow bed sheet now.
All white and
Very
grey.
nice.
Drapes, please send us more colors. Thank you.
Then their appliance also got design one which match with the bed sheet because like the yellow flowers there.
They also have this big wardrobe area.
It's like throughout the whole wall, you know.
How much clothes they have, sir?
I mean, it's 2 persons staying here.
Yeah, true lah.
Yes.
So the toilet, I think they kept it really simple. They have this Peranakan house style.
Yeah, like a feature wall but inside lah. And then there's also the glass divider and all the bathroom fittings for bath and cold. So
Yes.
and that's it for the toilet.
Okay, we have come to the end of the house tour. Although it's very unfortunate of them to kena this
Situation.
Yeah, but it's quite heartwarming to see how everybody got together, all the sponsors, committee, raise money for them to redo this house, and it looks so beautiful now.
Yeah, the transformation was wow.
Yeah, amazing.
Big man.
Yeah,
And I think everything came together really nicely, very well designed by the ID as well.
We don't have a promo code. We don't have any
giveaway
or
because
CPA.
this is all like just a community project. So
Correct.
we hope you still enjoy this video. And as always,
follow all our socials and click here for more.
And click here to subscribe.
Yeah.
If you want giveaways and promo code, right, just go to our other Get ID videos. Confirm have one. If you want more, can go to our vlogs also.
Sometimes our Instagram, Discord also got giveaway.
Yeah. So just go and follow everything, yeah?
2, 1, action. So they also have rules. Whoa.
Wait, wait, I don't know why you got white.
Still got anything?
Nothing already.
Okay, 3.
Why you got one white dot?